Okay, so I gave in and I got myself my first PopMart. Okay, I got what I could off a TikTok shop. And the ones I got was the PowerPuff Girls and the Crying Again plush. Okay, so out of this box, I'd probably want the Bunny or Alice or maybe the brown one. Of course, who wouldn't want a secret? I mean, these are my first blind boxes ever, so I'm super excited. Of course, I want a little boo-boo. Of course, I want a little boo-boo. But that's here nor there. Okay, out of this one, I probably want the secret because I can tell she has like a little crown. It's that one character. Or I'd want Buttercup probably because I have an attitude problem. The bust would probably be the Crying Bubbles. I don't know because this one's already crying again. Who wants to cry twice? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open this one first. I got them off the TikTok shop. Ah! Okay, there's a card in there. I know not to look at the card. To feel like a kid again. I love this. All right, I'm gonna show you guys first. That's what you're supposed to do, right? Okay. Oh! I don't even know. Oh, it's a duck. I love a duck. Duck you. That's even better. Duck you. I'm a Sopranos fan, so ducks are there for me. Wow. Okay. I'm getting too excited about this. You can calm down, Launchy. Okay. All right. Now for the Powerpuff Girls. Okay, don't look at the card. Okay, again, we're hoping for the secret or Buttercup attitude girl. No crying bubbles. What'd I get? It's really a thing. Like, don't say the one you're least hoping for. I mean, she's cute, I guess. She's a little bunny. The ears are like bendable. That's super cute. And supposedly this is just like a screen cleaner. My son's even ringing the alarm because what is this? But this, okay, this makes up for it. Especially the duck you. I'm with it.